If you think you're bad with plants, the snake plant might change your mind. Sansevieria, also called snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue, is one of the easiest houseplants you can grow. This plant comes from Africa and parts of Asia, where conditions are hot and dry. That's why it learned how to survive with very little water. Its thick, upright leaves store moisture, helping the plant live through long dry periods. Snake plants are popular because they are very low maintenance, tolerant of neglect, suitable for homes, offices, and bedrooms. They grow slowly, don't need much light, and forgive many mistakes. How to care for a snake plant. Snake plants adapt to different light conditions. They grow well in bright indirect light but can also survive in low light. Just remember, more light means faster growth and stronger colors. Watering is the most important part of care. Always let the soil dry out completely before watering again. Overwatering is the most common mistake and the main reason snake plants die. In winter, watering once every few weeks is usually enough. Use well-draining soil, ideally a cactus or succulent mix, and always choose a pot with drainage holes. Snake plants hate sitting in wet soil. They prefer normal room temperatures and don't like cold drafts or temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Benefits: what's true and what's not. Snake plants are often called air-purifying plants. They were included in the NASA Clean Air Study, but in real homes their effect on air quality is very small. You would need many plants to make a real difference, so fresh air and ventilation are still more important. One interesting fact is that snake plants release small amounts of oxygen at night. Because of this, many people keep them in bedrooms. The effect is gentle, but it doesn't hurt. Like all plants, snake plants can also make a room feel calmer and more welcoming. Is snake plant toxic? Yes, slightly. Snake plants contain substances called saponins, which are toxic to cats and dogs. If pets chew the leaves, it can cause vomiting or stomach problems. For humans, the plant is not safe to eat, especially for children, but touching it is harmless. The snake plant isn't just hard to kill, it's reliable, stylish, and patient. It won't clean your air like a machine, but it will survive neglect, decorate your space, and grow quietly for years. If you want a plant that asks for almost nothing and still looks great, the snake plant is a perfect choice.